Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Grumman Pilots YouTube channel, directly supporting the Grumman Pilots Association. And this morning we're looking at baffle seal material. We want to talk a little bit about the roll on baffle seal material. Now, when we cut out baffles, we always want to use the natural roll of the material after it's made in this roll. Now, when you buy rolls from other companies, they come like this. They're little short things and they're rolled, but the roll is the wrong way. We want the roll across the grain this way, not this way. And it doesn't matter what color it is, whether it's blue or not. When it's rolled up, it'll be rolling the wrong way when we actually want the roll. As you can see from an old piece, we want it to go that way, not this way. So that's what we mean when we talk about the roll from the baffle seal material. Stand by. Also, as part of getting the baffle seals in, we took all the pieces of baffle and we bead blasted them, and now they've been acid etched prime down on the aluminum, and there is a Lycoming gray product on the outside. And we did that for all the pieces on the airplane, for all the baffles. Doesn't matter what side they go on, we just did them all, including that big #1 piece back there by the oil cooler. But they look much nicer when you have them all painted. And so now we're in the process of putting the #1 baffles on, putting the new baffles on the new painted sealer. And so that's what we're going to be working on. So stand by for a bit more fun. And from Ken's baffle seal sets, that's number 14, goes around the muffler. And this time it's on the front side, not the back side of the baffle piece that it's supposed to be on. And the little crankcase sealer up here at the top is inserted on the back. Now, one point, when you're doing the baffle seals on this lower edge, the rubber material actually goes on this side. The rivet comes in this way, goes through the metal, through the rubber. There's a washer on the back, like on the back of these, which hold it against this tab right here so that you have all the baffle seals held on the right side. So that's how those rivets go in. Stand by. One of the nice things about the baffle seals kits that Air Mods Northwest designed is all the pieces are numbered, and it comes with a piece of paper that tells you where they all go. Stand by. And here's the diagram that comes with all the delineated pieces all numbered on here. You can see up here at the front 12, 14, 11, the big #1 piece, and even a shot showing how to deal with the corner sections with the Tenderman clips. So this comes in the kit. I'll include a PDF copy of this in the movie. Stand by. Leather hole punch from Harbor Freight and drill the holes in the rubber, or you can just use a block of wood and go through them and drill them, and now you're ready for the pop rivets. And the advantage of taking some of the material out by drilling or punching, it doesn't cause the material to distort. It leaves you a good seal against your upper cowling. Stand by. So as you can see, we're starting with piece #1. There we showed you the number 14, the exhaust. But these are the large-headed rivets, the 170406s. We have jars and jars of them. Call if you need some. It's about $125 per baffle seal kit. And here are the rivets that we use. They're the 170406 rivets, and they're called a large flange, which means they have a large head on them, as you can see right here, which gets a good grip on the rubber and gives you a nice good seal against the baffle material. And then on the other side, the rivets come through. Now these holes, as you can see, have gotten a little wallowed out over the years with changing out the baffle seal, no matter how careful you are. So we're going on the back side with some #4 rivets, #4 washers, and this will allow the rivet tails to stay out here and give us a good seal. So we hope you found this useful and informative. Thanks for watching, and have a good day flying your Grumman.